Hi everybody, welcome to the online module. We're just going to start things off with reviewing the solar system. Right now we're really only focused about learning about the planets, specifically the planets in order. So we're going to group the planets into two different groups. So there's 8 planets total, and the 4 closest to the sun are the terrestrial, and the 4 furthest are the gas giants. I think that it's important to know all the names of the planets and to know what order they go in, just to have an understanding of what the solar system consists of and what it kind of looks like. So we're going to go from closest to the furthest from the sun. So Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. The next closest would be Venus, and then our very own Earth, and then the next is Mars. So those 4 are the terrestrial planets. They are separated from the gas giants by the asteroid belt. The first gas giant would be Jupiter, so that is the 5th planet from the sun. And then there's Saturn, Uranus, and lastly, Neptune. When I was making this PowerPoint, I was trying to think of a way that you guys could remember this in order. So I came up with a mnemonic device, and if it helps you, awesome. If not, don't worry about it. It's the best I could think of. So it goes, my very excited mom jumped to the sun. So my very excited mom are the 4 terrestrial planets for Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So my very excited mom. And then jumped is Jupiter. And then and then sun, S-U-N, stands for Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. That's just a quick way to remember it if you want, if mnemonic devices help you. But good luck with the rest of your module, and I hope you have fun and you learn a lot.